Morning everybody, it's 6:15 on a Friday morning. It's cold outside, clear skies, and there's a big frost on the car. I am off to my challenge location this morning, so let's go and see what the morning holds. Good morning. So I'm here at my challenge location. Now before I say any more, I should probably say what the challenge is. So there's a group of photographers that I'm involved in on WhatsApp. We all come from kind of the Talk Photography forum, so check that out. And we've all got together, and we do quite regular meets and so on around the country, and it's good to get together, good to have a good community to chat to. So I'd recommend that for anybody. So what we did was Lynn, one of our group, she set us all a challenge. So she paired us off, and we've each had to choose the other person in our pair a location within 10 miles of their home, and it's potentially somewhere we've not been to before, as is the case for me. And the idea was to come down and check out a new location to us and see what we can get. So I'm here at my challenge location. So I'm down at Dovestone Reservoir. It's not too far from home for me. So early start to get down here and hopefully get some decent shots. So I've got down here, and the first problem was the Bin Green car park, sort of halfway up the hill. That was closed because they're doing some work. Now I've driven down to the other car park down the bottom here, and I've had a look at the sign that explains what they're doing at the other car park, and that basically there's a series of reservoirs. So you've got Dovestone at the bottom, Yeoman Hay is the middle one, and Greenfield I think is the top one. And what they're doing is the dam wall between Yeoman Hay and Dovestone here, so the middle and the bottom reservoirs, they're sort of rebuilding the wall basically is what they're saying. Now doing a little bit of research before I came, that's kind of where I want it to be, on that wall between the two. Typical. So there's a nice sort of jetty, kind of a jetty with a building at the end coming off that wall, and that's quite a nice focal point. There's also an overflow next to that looks quite good, so I was going to check those out, but unfortunately that's closed today, so I'll have to come back another time for that. So I'll show you where I am right now. So I'm just at the bottom of Dovestone, so I'll spin you around. So over here you've got the sailing club, sort of boathouse, and then if I pan you around, we've got this nice reservoir here with this hill, and then got these trees here that form a little bit of an interest with a diagonal line. So I'm hoping they will come out quite nice. So that's kind of my composition. So I've got camera set up just down here, so I'm in the water there, just to try and get the lower field of view. So yeah, there's a little bit of colour just developing here. It's a clear sky, but we'll just see what we get. Hi again. So we've got the sun coming up behind these hills here, and if I spin you around and show you my composition again, so just about there. So we've got the sun catching the top of this peak up here. Got the lovely trees and then this water here. So I'm bracketing my exposures, so I've got 3 shots that I'm taking, 1 stop either side, just to try and capture the bright sky here, the dark middle ground and the reasonably bright water down here. So I'll probably have to end up blending those photos in post-processing. But yeah, it's a nice spot, it's a nice composition, I like it. I am also taking a long exposure, so I've got my 6-stop filter on just to try and flatten out that water. Again, maybe just blend that exposure in for the water and take one of the others for the hill and the trees there in the background. The sun's coming up lovely, so it's also catching this hill down here at the end of the reservoir from where I am, which also looks very nice. But yeah, I think for me this sort of composition works quite nicely. So yeah, see what I get. So I've walked around a little bit around the bottom of Dovestones. So I was sort of over here before, and now I've walked around to this overflow. I'll show you. Quite nice, quite similar to the Lady Bower overflows, except these sort of metal hoops all the way around the edge of the overflow. I assume that's to like stop any logs or any large debris going down the overflow. So they look quite good. That's why it's overflowing, as you can see. Not always the case, of course. That's why I'm set up just here. I've got a 10-stop filter on there just to try and do some long exposures, smooth out that water a little bit, see what I can do. I think the hoops will be quite a nice contrast in there, as well as the milky water and sort of going down the overflow and the smooth water on the top. So see how that turns out anyway. Just wanted to show you the overflow. Quite nice.